cheers, and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, you're seeing this right. Spike Brewing, courtesy of Spike Brewing. We have a Spike Solo. I'm gonna just do an unboxing today, but of course we have mini brews, reviews, and all kinds of other cool things that we're gonna be doing with the new Spike Solo. And I know you go, new? I thought they had that out for a while. Well, there's been some changes. There's been some upgrades. And that's what I'm gonna be sharing with you. This will just be the unboxing. There is so much to go through. I don't wanna make each video really crazy long, so we're just gonna do lots of nice short videos so we can go through everything in different steps. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. Huge thank you to all the viewers. Yes, when you hit like, you hit subscribe, you double check, make sure that subscribe's staying stuck. I don't know what's up with YouTube, but yeah, that's where we get to places like this and we keep growing and growing. And a huge thank you to all the viewers out there. Truly appreciate you. Okay, yeah, let's just jump right into this, okay? First, we have one box, and that was something that Spike said, hey, please check everything out. We've had some damage from FedEx. Well, I've got a big old dent in the box, but I got lots of styrofoam in there, so I don't suspect that anything is damaged. And you know me, right? Razor blade. Love my razor blade. Nice, easy, slices everything open. I know I'm kind of close to the camera, but I want to make sure you can get a good view of everything, okay? Boom, there's one box. I might as well go ahead and just slice everything open. That'll save us some time, because I know everybody wants to see everything, and I want to go through it as quickly as possible. So, yeah, you can call this the goodie box. There's one item in each of these from my understanding. That could be a little off. And then this should be everything else. We'll set the razor blade up there. Let's go ahead and open the biggest one here first that's standing up in our way and kind of like I can almost hide behind, you know what I'm saying? Plus it has the big dent, so we want to make sure everything's good. Okay, first right on the top, we got a big old piece of, I don't know if you call it styrofoam. Is that like special foam stuff, cushion? And we have a Spike lid. Yeah. Nice 304 stainless steel. You do have an option to upgrade that to the one with the tri-clamp on the top for what they call CIP, clean in place. And of course, they even have a steam condenser lid. And then you can get the steam condenser and expand out from there. There's always another stage where you can go. Okay. I know everybody's looking at this. You can't see me, but that's okay. The eye candy is in front. That's what you really want to see. I'll double check this box. I don't think, oh, nope, there is something down here. There's something on the bottom. I almost missed it. I didn't think there was anything else. Lots of paper and styrofoam. Hopefully I don't damage anything. Yes, this is the new bottom drain system. That's right, bottom drain. It's got little legs. You're brewing on a system, and those are stainless steel legs. So let's go ahead. We'll slide this out of the way. And everybody's probably cringing right now that I'm gonna break something. Don't worry. Move that over there. And if anybody wants to know, they're in Milwaukee. See a tiny little bump there. I wouldn't even call that a, well, I guess you could call it a dent, but it's a tiny bump. Okay, and there are, that's right, little peg holes. That's what it's for. Okay, you know what? I got rid of that razor blade a little too soon. Because I bet we can just screw these on in a matter of seconds. Have some tri-clamp fittings in here for the bottom drain piece. And we have the little pedestal feet, which I'm gonna go ahead and just spin those on. We'll deal with the other stuff later. This way we won't have the stainless rubbing on stainless, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna jump a little forward into the video. Ta-da! And the lid would go just like that. Okay, and before we open the big box with all the goodies, let's open this because I'm pretty sure I know what's in here, okay? So what I thought, it is, you can call it your brew in a bag, you can call it your grain basket. A lot of people call it a lot of different things, but it's got a little bit of styrofoam on it, so we'll pull that off real quick just so you can get a better look. Yeah, I didn't think there's anything else in there. I'll be a little more careful since I have like 4 things finishing up over there fermenting and dry hopping right now. Yes, 4. Okay. Just for anybody who hasn't seen it, yeah, those are laser cut grapes. Very, very nice, very fine, from what I understand. Yeah, they're not sharp, but I guess you could, if you rubbed them really hard, you could probably do something, but they're nice. Get the little legs, which are welded in. And, oh, they got little silicone. I don't know if I need to take that off for safety or not. I would assume I do. But for now, we'll leave them on. And normally, when you're draining, it's like that. When you're mashing, it's like that. It's that simple, really. I mean, the new Solo system is pretty much turnkey. You know, it has the new Solo panel controller, which I think's in here. So we're gonna take a quick look. Bet you've got a lot of other things in here. Don't wanna knock that off. That's gonna be the bottom piece. I'll put that on, let you take a look at that real quick, but let's get the rest of the stuff out of the box. Wow. Okay, I opened the box, and I don't know if you can see this. It's kind of heavy. Yeah, there's one big gigantic box in here, taking up the majority of the space. And yeah, I'm getting weaker in my old age. It is the new, and I did say new, Solo panel. Just came out this year. I've got a lot of new things coming out just this year, or just came out this year. I believe the new malt mill is coming out early next year. The glycol system, I think, comes out either this year or early next year. This panel came out this year, very recently. And it's been very difficult to get because there's been a lot of demand. I should have kept that razor blade, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show you this before I pull anything else out of a box. And I'll have to turn it on and test it out as they ask me to, just to make sure it didn't get damaged. First of all, I'm gonna say it looks fine. So no big deal there. I'm going to assume this is probably a bunch of cords, but we'll have to double check. We all know what happens when you assume. Okay, I'm trying to find the best way to get it out of here without pulling on it or tugging on it too hard. Okay, here we go. So this thing, think Darth Vader, think Star Wars. Yeah, very high-tech looking, very cutting edge looking. It's got routes. I think that's a hard plastic. Okay, I couldn't tell if that was metal or plastic. It's a hard plastic. This up here feels like a coated type of steel or metal. And you have your pump, you have an auxiliary. I thought of what I want to use that for. And of course your power in, power out. And this is for the temperature probe. Looks kind of like the old day microphones. I spent some time in broadcasting. So get your primary on and off. And of course, as you can see, you can mount this up on a wall, lay it flat, whatever you want. Right on here too, and we'll get into it a little more later. But you have your element on off, your pump on off, and you have your auxiliary on off. You have your controls, power, things like that. Haven't turned it on ever, have never seen one in real life. So we'll turn it on, do lots of stuff with it, just not this video. I'm gonna poke my head into this just so I can see what's there, so you know what comes in this box. Because like I said, we all know what happens when you assume, and right now I'm assuming it's power cables. Pretty confident, but there may be some mounting pieces or other things in the box. Okay, I'm good. Okay, so it is your power cable and your temp probe connector. And just so you know, I know not everybody knows the names of these, so it's a 4-prong. I think I only have a 3-prong, so I'll have to get a little adapter. I've got an adapter for everything. I might even have an adapter for this. Not too worried. Actually, you know what? I don't need to worry at all because I'm pretty sure I have the connector for that. So I can go straight from my power cord to that without a problem at all. 4-prong though, I need to take a look at that. Yeah, I definitely need to take a look at that. Can't remember if mine's 4 or 3. Yeah. Oh. There's a 3-prong. That's a 4-prong. We got lots of cables here. Okay. Got a Solo Parts pump add-on. Oh my gosh. That's ridiculously heavy. And I keep losing that razor blade. There it is. I feel like I'm cutting the bottom. It says bottom drain Solo. I have a feeling it's all of the tri-clamp and quick connects. Yes, it is. Yeah. We'll do a video on building all this stuff. So yeah, we've got lots of quick connects, tri-clamp. Got our butterfly valves. See the one for the temp. I figured it might be in here, but it's probably in another box where I've already looked at it and didn't realize I saw it. Ah, yeah, I see it now. It's in the bag. Okay, we're gonna set that aside, and I'm actually gonna set it up here. You can get a workout with just that little box. Let's pop this little box open and see what's going on in here. Actually, this is trying to escape. Spike Brewing customer service, info@spikebrewing.com. Yeah, tri-clamps and some connectors. Oh yeah. Valve. Nice rubber piece on here with Spike Brewing on it. So we'll put that back down there for now. We don't need to worry about that. This is more about showing you what comes in the box. We got some more boxes down here. Let's pick up the heavy one, which I think I know what that is. The blue tape out of the way. We'll put that in there, and we got some hose. Like I said, it's a turnkey system. And more tri-clamp. Okay, I think that's empty, so we can get this out of our way too. I like freeing up space. Okay, I think everybody knows what's in this box. Heating element. I have a feeling that's gonna go all the way across. Yeah, that's gonna be tight, but it'll work. Yeah, there's our heating element. Put that out of the way. Probably the nicest it will ever look. Because once you get brewing, yeah. Colors change a little bit. Hose, we don't need to worry about. I'm pretty sure this is the Spike Flow, the new pump. Yeah, actually, I'm noticing it on there. And it says tri-clamp. I didn't see anything specific on these telling me what's what, but that's okay. Wow, yeah, it's a beast. Okay, let's see if I can get it out of here. Oh, did not plan on getting a workout this late in the evening, but that's okay. Okay. Go. We got the on off, we got the plug. So I have an adapter. I can go directly from this to my system. That's not a problem now. I was a little concerned. I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna need to buy another adapter. If you saw the amount of plugs I have for adapters, it's ridiculous. But I'd rather be safe than sorry. Had a big brewing at a brewery a while back, and I was like, do you need any kind of cables? I promise you I have every possible power cable adapter you can imagine. So yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna be brewing this weekend. If you go looking at this type of system, definitely check out Spike Brewing. Give them a heads up, say, hey, saw it on Bitter Reality Brewing. But yeah, very nice, 304 stainless. Now this is the smaller of the variations that they have in this. You can get it with the bottom drain, or you can get it with the flat bottom. You can also get it in a 10, 15, or 20 gallon configuration, okay? I feel that the majority of the viewers out there are doing small to 5 gallon batches. And with 5 gallon probably being the vast majority, working with Spike Brewing, I felt this was an appropriate fit for the viewers because this system will do 2.5 to 5 gallons. It has a grain capacity of 5 pounds if you're doing a small batch, up to 12 pounds. And like I said, it's a simplified brew day, turnkey, compact, super super compact. And this right here is supposedly, all of the stainless is supposed to be 1.2 millimeter. They said this is light. Okay, it's got some weight to it. It's not paper light. It's not like where you pick it up and get worried. It's where you pick it up and go, okay, it's solid, but it's not ridiculous. I'll stand that up there like that so you can see kind of how that looks. I'll put that back down. Okay, I'm gonna go through everything, figure out how everything gets connected, get it set up, and we'll do a video on the different parts, the different pieces, how to connect it. And of course, we're gonna do a brew day. Yeah, so later this week at night, I'm gonna have to do a little run through, run some hot water, some cleaner through it, just test everything, make sure we're good. And hopefully this weekend I'll be doing a brew. Yeah, not 100% sure which brew I'm doing yet. I have a couple different brews in mind. It's just a matter of what I decide on. But special thanks again going out to both Spike Brewing and all the viewers kind of making things like this possible and growing the channel. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing, and reach out to Spike. Check out their stuff. I'll put a link down below in the description. It's not even an affiliate link. Go straight to Spike Brewing and you can check out the Spike Solo and a lot of other equipment. Cheers. Thank you.